Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn something that is pretty interesting, and that is we're going to learn how to repeat things, how to repeat message, or how to repeat anything in programming. So hopefully you have been watching my past tutorial, and by now you're starting to get some concept of programming. I went ahead and created this app class, and within that I created this man method already, and I'm going to start typing within this man method. So let's say that I wanted to say hello 5 times. What I can do is I can say system.out.println, and then I'll say hello, and I'll simply copy and paste this like this. So hold on, sorry. So I say hello within my system.out.println. I'm just going to copy and paste this. So it's going to be 1 2 3 4 5. So I said hello like this. I run it and I say 5 hello. If I wanted to say 5 more, I can say like so. So it's going to be 10 or 11 hello. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I said 11 hello. As you can see, we are repeating the same code over and over and over and over again, and this is not good because computers are really good at automating things, and there is a better way to write this. So we can actually use for loop instead of copying and pasting same code over and over and over again. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. So I'm going to create a loop, and loop will repeat the same code over and over and over again. And I wanted to repeat how many times. I'll create a variable and store that called repeat times. Repeats time is going to be, I wanted to repeat 11 times, and I'm going to go ahead and create a for loop. In order to do that, we say for, and then opening and closing parentheses, for integer counter, that is going to keep track of our loop. Counter equals 0, and this counter is less than repeat times, which is going to be 11. I will say after every loop, increase this counter by 1. So in order to increase this counter by 1, I'm going to say counter plus plus, and then opening and closing parenthesis. And inside this parenthesis, what I can do is I can say system.out.println hello. When I run this code, it's exact same thing like before. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Exact same thing, but this is a much better way to do this one. So we are creating for loop, and inside for loop there are 3 argument or 3 parameter, whatever you want it to call. The first one is going to be the counter. Counter is our current loop. For example, if this is going through the first time, the counter is going to be 1. If it is going through second time, the counter is going to be increased by 1, so it's going to be 2. So we started with 0, and we went for counter is less than. As long as counter is less than 11, we keep on printing this hello. So this is how the for loop actually works. Instead of hello, I say something like I am awesome. you'll see that it's going to display I'm awesome. Right click and run it. As you can see, it says I'm awesome. So instead of copying and pasting the same code over and over and over again, this is a much better and recommended way to loop through something, loop through some message. That is all for this tutorial. In next tutorial we are going to probably gonna go ahead and learn about while loop and then do while. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe.